Hi everyone, this is Vic from Singapore once again, and on this video I'm going to be talking about the SPD 30 and adding external pads so that we can have more surfaces to play on. And yes, on the last video I spoke about adding an external pad to trigger the loop and the phrases. Yes, so I personally, when I perform, I like to have more playing surface apart from the 8 surfaces that the SPD has, because probably I like to add percussion sounds like the congas, bongos or timbales, so it comes in handy. You can do a solo on it and you get a feel on the pads, external pads, especially like congas. You get the slap tone and open tone. It sounds pretty real. Yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 external pads here. They're all Roland PD8 pads. I'm using this particular one to trigger the loops and phrases. If you want to know more about that, you can watch the other video. But for now, I have these 2 pads. I use them like for the purposes of congas, or you can use it for any other purpose in ballets or any other percussion effects that you want. Okay, for this setting, we will definitely need a stereo cable. We're going to use the hi-hat as well as the right cymbal slot. Let's slot it into the right cymbal first, followed by the hi-hat, and then the other end to the 2 pads that you have. And then next, we press the menu button, followed by enter. You can see the screen, right? It will be showing you which pad you have actually selected, so you can choose the sounds that you want, the different percussion or any kind of sound that you want. So you see, as I'm hitting all the pads, they are moving actually. So once you hit on the particular pad that you want to tune or change the setting, you can do that. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it serves you well. And if you'd like to see more videos about SPD or the settings, please do let me know. Leave comments, leave a feedback so I can better improve my videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.